YouTube is against you, do not just start vlogmas without a proper plan. Make a deliberate effort to move on. Idea will not fall on your head. You're going to use one cloth to shoot 5 videos. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? This is John Theo here. I hope you guys are doing well. First time seeing my face. Hi. This video is how to prepare for Vlogmas 2023. In this video, I'm going to tell you things that you should do before you start Vlogmas. Do not just start Vlogmas without a proper plan. Most people are doing it, okay? My mates are doing it. I do not want to be the unserious one. You start vlogmas because of these things I'm going to be telling you guys. The first thing you should do if you are going to do vlogmas, I will expect that you have already started shooting. You have already started shooting your videos, okay, so that you don't get choked up, don't get overwhelmed, so you don't get stressed. Okay, I will expect that you have already started shooting your videos. First thing to do is to start shooting on time. Okay, we are still in November, so you should start shooting now because this is daily upload till on the 25th. If you are going to be doing vlogmas from 1st to 25th, it means you should already have like 5 videos on ground, pre-record and batch film. That's just what I'm trying to say. It's at night that you have the time to shoot. Then make sure you are not stressed, make sure you are not looking tired, then sit down and shoot your videos. For it not to be stressful for you while shooting, you should do this. You should have like snacks, water, fruits, you know, things that will energize you and give you the courage to continue shooting. You take breaks at interval, take like 15-minute break when shooting, 30 minutes break in between, or 15 minutes breaks in between shooting your videos. And also you should your outfit, if you're going to shoot 5 videos a day, your outfit for these 5 videos should be set aside. They should be in one place. You shouldn't use one cloth. For example, you're going to use one cloth to shoot 5 videos.
What is this? Jesus!
Don't do that. Like, it's just going to be, please, you have to be professional, okay? Batch filming, pre-record, have enough outfits that will last you for the videos that you're going to shoot. When you are done shooting, then start editing, because there is no time. Start editing so you don't get choked up, you don't get overwhelmed, you don't get stressed and burned out. Then you'll not be able to finish what you started. Start editing, okay? After editing the video, then upload and put it on private. Please do not upload and just leave it on public like that. As you're uploading, put it on private, then go and start editing the next one. Upload, put it on private, just like that. When it's not time for you to start uploading, then you upload, then you schedule them for the specific time that you want to upload. You want it to go live, you want it to go public. You schedule it. If it's today's first, you should have scheduled the one for today already. Tomorrow, then in the evening of today, you schedule the one for tomorrow. Before all of this, I'm sure you should have like video ideas that you want to shoot. You should already have like video ideas, that thing that you want to upload, the number of videos that you must have written them down. Oh, today 1st of December, I'm going to do decoration with me. For example, 2nd of December, I'm going to do clean with me. You should have the list of what you want to upload. That's my point. You should have the list of the food items that you want to upload. That's what I am trying to say. Thumbnails, okay? It should be catchy. This is Christmas period. It should have Christmas vibes. It should have Christmas vibe. It should be clean. Say for example, you are going to use a picture, or you're using different pictures. Edit the different pictures individually. Edit them individually before you combine them together. That's how you have clear and sharp pictures for your thumbnail. There are so many thumbnails tutorial here on YouTube. Check them out. Check them out. Do not sit down. The idea will not fall on your head. Check them out on YouTube. Learn to grow. Learn to upgrade. Have it in your mind that the thumbnails I've been doing since last year, thumbnail I did last year, no, let me improve. Have it in your mind that, oh, I want to improve on this, and make a deliberate effort to improve on it. YouTube, this is YouTube. You're going to learn how to do things on YouTube, yeah, to better your video. You have to learn it. Sit down and learn how to do it. Organize, prepare, focus, put things in order, and you see that you get the results that you want. Set realistic expectations. The idea of this vlogmas is for growth. So you want to grow your channel. That's the essence of this whole thing. That's the essence. That's why we are doing this thing. So now that you want to grow your channel, what do? You are going to set an expectation. Oh, I'm doing this, I'm doing vlogmas because I want to have a certain so amount of subscribers, or I want to grow my watch hour. Do not now come and say I'm uploading 25 videos in next month every day consistently. Because of that, I want to have one. It's possible, but please do not set a goal that when you are unable to achieve it, you will not be blaming yourself. You will not look as if YouTube is against you. Set an expectation for yourself that you will be able to achieve and achieve more. That's the kind of expectation that you should set. I've said everything. I've said everything that I think you should know before this vlogmas starts. I hope we all get our plans, I hope we get the growth that we need and the visibility that we want. And I hope this video was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comment section. I would really love to know. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Yours, mine,